Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to deposit money into Binance from your bank account. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we uploading a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So before jumping to the video, let me clear something that this video is for educational purposes only, and I'm not a financial advisor. So however, in here I will show you step by step how to deposit money from your bank account into Binance. So for depositing money from your bank account into your Binance account, simply navigate to your mobile device and open the Binance application. Once the Binance open, here you can see at the top there is deposit, so click on that. Once this window open, here you can see crypto and cash. If you want to deposit crypto into your Binance account, you can select crypto, and under the crypto there are the coins that which you can deposit to your Binance. So I will select cash option because I want to deposit money from my bank account into my Binance account. So here there is currency which you can deposit simply to your Binance account. So from the list I will select euro option. Once this window opened, you can see there are bank card, Visa, MasterCard, or bank transfer, advance cash account balance. And you can see P2P bank transfer, it's only available on the website only. If you want to use P2P bank transfer, you can use the web version of Binance. So I will select here bank card, Visa, MasterCard. Once this window open, you can see that recommended to select a payment method. Here the bank transfer is bank card, Visa, MasterCard is automatically selected. Here for example I will type 100. Here you can see transaction fee is 0.00 euro. You will not have any charges through the bank card or Visa card or MasterCard that you are using. You will get here, you can see the complete amount and click on the continue option. Here you can see card info, first name, last name is automatically selected. Enter your card number, enter your expiry date, security code, address, postal code, city, and here is state, and select your country. So once that is done, click on the pay now. Automatically you will receive the payment in the about a second. So this is the method that you can deposit money from your bank account into Binance using your mobile device application. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. Keep supporting us to provide you more interesting videos about cryptocurrency, about the Binance tutorial and other things. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.